Imagine this. You study hard for 15 years. You pass exams. You get a degree. You throw your cap in the air. And then, real life throws your resume in the bin. Welcome to the future. Here's a shocking fact. Some of the fastest growing jobs today did not exist 10 years ago. And many of the jobs students are preparing for today will disappear in the next 10 years. Yet colleges are still teaching the same syllabus as if the world is moving at dial-up speed. Let me tell you a short story. Two students graduate in the same year. Same degree. Same marks. 5 years later, one is leading projects, earning well, growing fast. The other is still confused, stuck, and blaming luck. The difference is not intelligence. Not background. Not certificates. The difference is understanding how careers actually work. Here's another hard-to-believe truth. Companies today care less about what you studied and more about how fast you can learn, adapt, and solve problems. In the age of AI, automation, and smart machines, your degree is no longer your identity, your skills and mindset are. This course exists because no one told us these things in college. No one explained why good students fail in real careers. Why safe jobs are no longer safe. Why learning never ends after graduation. And why the future belongs to those who think differently. This is not motivation. This is not theory. This is a reality check for the future. If you are a student, a graduate, or a young professional who doesn't want to be replaced by technology, but wants to grow with it, then welcome. This course will change the way you think about your career. Because the future is not coming. It's already here.